Hello everyone, welcome back to Little Bench. Today we are going to make an easy photo holder. Today we are going to work with cement. You can use plaster Paris too. Both cement as well as plaster Paris you have to mix with water to a pouring consistency, and then we are pouring it into a mold. You can pour it into any mold and you have to leave it for 24 hours. Once it is set, you can remove it from the mold and the cement will retain that shape. Using this principle, we are going to work today. To make the photo holder, I am going to pour the cement to this ice cube tray. I have taken a silicone ice cube tray so that it will be easy for us to remove it once it is set. As you all know, cement is very strong, so when you are working with cement, you should wear gloves and mask. Again, the cement craft is not recommended for the kids. If the kids want to do it, they have to use air dry clay instead of cement. So now let's get into the project. Mix the water and cement to a lump-free batter. Keep adding water till it reaches a pouring consistency. Now pour the cement mix to the ice cube tray. I am pouring the cement to a hard mold which I had with me. We can use this to decorate our photo holder. Now I am wiping off the excess cement from the hard mold. Slowly tap the hard mold and the ice cube tray so that the air bubbles trapped inside escape. This is after 4 hours. Cement is half set now. Now let's take it out of the mold and insert the wire. Twist one end of the wire twice around any round object. Wrap around the end tightly to the longer piece of the wire to hold it in shape. Now take out the wire from the round object. Make sure the two circles are pushed tightly together as they will be holding the photo. Push the other end of the wire to the center of the cube which we made now. Leave them to dry overnight. Instead of the round object, I have taken a heart-shaped cookie cutter here and repeating the same process. I am wrapping the wire twice around this heart-shaped cookie cutter. Twist the ends tightly and finish it. Now let's take out the heart shapes too. Once the cement cubes are completely dried, you can start painting them. Attach masking tape diagonally on 4 sides of the cube. Now let's paint the upper diagonal portion as well as the top of the cube. After 10 minutes, carefully remove the masking tape. We are painting half portion of the heart also, just to go with this design. We can attach the heart with hot glue to the center of the wire like this. In this cube, we are going to give a pouring effect. For that, first I painted the cube to pink color. Now put excess white paint on the top of the cube. With the help of a paintbrush, bring all the excess paint to the sides. Tilt the cube to a side and slowly tap the cube so that the paint flows down by itself. Repeat the same for all the sides. Thus, we get an overflowing effect on all the 4 sides. We are repeating the same process on the heart as well. To cut the photos in the Polaroid format, what we are doing is, we are leaving 0.5 cm on both sides as well as top portion of the photo, but we are leaving 2.5 cm at the downward portion of the photo. So we are done with our photo holder. Actually, you don't need to make a cement cube for a photo holder. Every heavy object can be a photo holder, from a rock to a wooden log. Here I have taken a stone and I am going to twist the wire onto it tightly. And you can insert a photo onto this. It is that easy. Say you want to give a surprise on your family member's birthday. You can take some good photos, print out and make a quick arrangement and let the birthday boy or girl wake up to that surprise. You don't have to spend a lot to bring a smile onto your dear one's face. A little effort from your side can do wonders. Thank you for watching today's video. Little Benz is signing off for the day.